The anger of a mother in anger with her marriage on the rocks, looking for the next depository for his semen, for his holy will. And the mother, after the breakup, took a knife and attacked the object of her anger, the product of her child's holy semen, which was the daughter, 9 years old, and she stabbed her 11 times, near death, praying to God, oh God, why, not understanding that she was killing the product of her God, which was her husband, that is now looking for the next wife. Is that why this all happened? Yes, you can bet on it. Join us, DestinyHighProcess.com, that you may not become possessed by your unconscious without understanding what is really going on.